6 months ago, I almost gave up on my skin. Today, I use only a simple routine, and everything changed. I used to think that clear, glowing skin was only for people who could afford $100 serums and 10-step routines. I tried expensive products, but my skin kept getting worse. Breakouts, dark spots, oily skin, dry patches. Until I discovered the truth. Healthy skin is simple. In this video, I will be showing you the simple routine I use to fix my skin. Most people destroy their skin without knowing. If you change these few habits, your skin can transform. So, I switched to these 3 budget-friendly steps. Step 1. Over-cleansing the skin. First, I stopped using harsh scrubs. I switched to a basic, pH-balanced cleanser. I start with a gentle cleanser, not a harsh soap. If you want something that doesn't leave your skin feeling squeaky clean, because that squeak is actually your natural oils being stripped away. So, I do this for a full 60 seconds to really let it work. Step 2. Hydrating the skin. Instead of an expensive 12-ingredient serum, I started applying my moisturizer while my skin was still damp. This locks in the water already on your skin. Moisturizer is what gives the glow, not expensive serums. Step 3. Protecting the skin. Most of my skin issues were actually sun damage and redness that couldn't heal because I wasn't protecting it. Here is the step most people ignore. Sun damage causes wrinkles, dark spots, and dull skin. 90% of skin aging is sun. Sunscreen is not makeup. It is daily protection. It prevents dark spots, aging, and hyperpigmentation. Skincare doesn't stop at products. Intake of water, enough sleep, and stress control change your skin faster than expensive creams. So, I simplified my diet and cut back on excess sugar, junk, and soda. But the biggest mistake is inconsistency. People try skincare for 5 days and quit. Your skin needs patience, not perfection. Start simple. Stay consistent. Your glow will come. It took me about 1 week to see a real difference, so don't give up, the change doesn't happen overnight. If you want to see the specific budget products I use, I'll link them in the description below. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.